Mag-unboxing po tayo.
4K so?
Unboxing tayo.
4K? Ha? O, tingnan mo, wala siya kagalaw-galaw, diba? Uy. Ganda na naman, sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Magalaw lang.
Magalaw pa rin?
Hindi yung ano na.
Kahit nga nasa sasakyan ko, wala kang kalugan eh.
Unboxing. Ito. Tapos ito. Yung tornilyo niya.
Para sa dito.
Oo, dito nga.
O, yun nga, tama. Dito mo kasi ito tornilyo, kaya nakalagay sa ilalim. Saan ka tornilyo?
Yan, sa ilalim.
Dito. O, yun, sakto. Sa ilalim nga ito nakalagay.
Oo, mamaya.
Ngayon nga. Kasi ito, ilalim mo dyan eh. Okay na yan. Tama. Tama. Saka may matanggal. Di ganun mo na. O, nag-ano. Ganyan lang siya. Dapat may pandikit yan. Pagka ano may rugby, makabili tayo rugby. Hindi, lalagyan natin ito. Kada ito, rugby. Tapos yan, ipapatong na natin ganyan dyan. Ilalagay yun.
Sa paa. Sa paa yun naman.
Oo, tikat-tatlo yung ano yan. Tuwid mo.
Milyonario Promo! Tingnan ang mechanics sa landa. Kali na sa Mega Milyonario Promo!
Ayan na yun. Ayun. Ilang box? Ha? Sigurado ko alam mo kung ano yun, pero... Tatanggal yan.
And she's like, some spaghetti, because I told her she got to try spaghetti also. And we got some fries. Yeah, we can get fries. Now, let's try this spaghetti. Tell me about the spaghetti real quick. I'm gonna show my like an actual good piece of gravy. For my just that. Man, it's gravy. Woo. Does that satisfy customer? Does it satisfy customer? Yeah. Okay, now, let's try this spaghetti. Tell me about the spaghetti. Now, the spaghetti, you definitely got to mix it up a little bit. All right. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Oh, good, mix it, good. All right. So now, take some of the spaghetti and mix it up. At first, I think that's about that cheese. So that's cheese that you got in there, cheese. But it also says, come here. This is Filipino style spaghetti, okay? So now, I try some Filipino style spaghetti. See what you think. That's what I love. Different, right? So what's the difference between spaghetti in America? She's better than me. You like this spaghetti, huh? Oh, she likes spaghetti better than chicken. Damn, I like both. But both are good. What do you think? Like the spaghetti is different. I don't know. I just know it's good. I know it's just like sweeter than our spaghetti in America. Not sweeter. It's delicious. That's all I know. Like that. So me and my mom have the same taste. She likes it.
Nakasikit.
It's more spaghetti. There's enough twist it up. That spaghetti is already good, right? That spaghetti is good to go. So that's what I thought it was about. Hey, right here. You ready?
Ikaw ang gusto.
It's okay. That's what we're doing. Be sure. Look at that. I just want to take you a bite of it. But make sure you use the skin. Wait, let me show you the skin. It's spicy for real, bro. Are you ready? You just not ready? Insane. Well, that's spicy or not? It's not taking. Spicy for real.
Tapos tanggalin mo rin nasa ibabaw nito eh, pandikit tayo.
Bakit hindi wala?
Wala na, bagay, makakalit na kasi yan eh. Yung pandikit sa'yo, tatanggal na nakita ko. Double-sided siya.
Now we get context. It's fine. But listen, you know we do guys. Just say it's spicy. You put it in gravy on it.
Yan ang patasapure.
That's what they're regular.
Good luck. Each mango pie, guys.
Sento mo naman dito. Tanggalin na natin yan. Tapos patong mamaya. Pag pinatong mo, sakto mo na agad. Kasi pag binuwat mo, mawawala yung dikit pag pinatong mo. Wala na yan. May bakbak siya. Ayun po, malaki sa kabila. Ito! Touch it. Ang ilalim namin, hindi ba natin?
So we're going to the house of my close friend. This lady that I just moved into.
Bumagsak siguro eh.
She's such a close friend of mine. I call him Ebis.
Ayun o, kasag o. Kaya kasa kamay mo. Malakas siguro pagkakabagsak nito. Oh? Tingnan mo kung ilasing tatay ka. Saktuan ba? Ganun mo muna. Sakto o sobra dyan?
Sakto lang.
Sakto dyan. Ikaw, hindi na pa managan?
Kahit may sobrang konti.
Ikaw, sobrang konti.
Yan. Pwede na.
Okay. Naku baka ano, baka naman lumubog naman ang gusto. Mabali. Pangit na oh. Pag ano, lagyan mo ng sticker. Kasi mababakbak yan. Yung sticker lang na may design. Pagka meron kami pa namang malikot, ginanong ganin yan. Okay. Bilisan mo. Sabi mo itong ano, naging lang ano.
Yun nga, lalagyan dito.
Pag ano, bumili ng rugby. Maliit lang. Ha?
Dahil lang din pala ako.
Okay guys, bye-bye na po.
Bumili tayong
Thank you
rugby
so
maliit.
much. Sana huwag po kayo magsawang manood sa mga videos ko. Bye-bye! Eto nga pala guys, inassemble ko na rin kanina, hindi ko na naipakita. Bye-bye!